Detox your liver the right way every day using herbs around your home. Did you know that the liver is the body's largest detox organ? If your liver is being poisoned every day, it can silently affect your skin, your health, and even your lifespan. In today's video, we're going to explore how to properly detox your liver using common herbs you can find around your house. By doing this, you'll be building a healthy lifestyle, keeping your skin glowing, and staying youthful for years to come. Today, let's learn how to take care of the liver, one of the body's unsung heroes. What we'll cover: why daily liver detox is so important, natural herbs around your home that help detox the liver, healthy habits to keep your liver in top shape, important things to keep in mind. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to help others take better care of their health too. Take care of your liver, the secret to a healthy life. Youthful skin and long-lasting beauty. In today's fast-paced world, many people focus on their outward appearance while forgetting that true beauty and good health start from within. And when it comes to inner health, the liver is one of the most important organs to care for. The liver plays a key role in detoxifying the body, metabolizing nutrients, producing energy, and supporting the immune system. That's why properly detoxing your liver every day isn't just about staying healthy. It's also the secret to looking young, feeling energized, and staying well long term. Why proper liver detox matters. The liver handles hundreds of critical functions, but one of its most important jobs is detoxification, removing harmful substances from food, medication, alcohol, and environmental pollution. When your liver is working well, you'll notice improvements in your skin, digestion, mood, and sleep. A healthy liver can even help prevent chronic diseases like fatty liver, hepatitis, metabolic disorders, and liver cancer. It also supports weight balance, slows down aging, and naturally boosts your appearance. The dangers of ignoring your liver. On the flip side, when the liver gets overworked or damaged, often due to unhealthy habits like a greasy diet, alcohol, staying up late, long-term stress, or overusing medications, it can't function properly. This can lead to a buildup of toxins in the body, causing issues like acne, dark spots, bad breath, fatigue, pain under the right rib cage, digestive problems, and even serious liver diseases. The scary part: liver damage often happens quietly and only shows symptoms when it's already advanced. What causes liver overload? Many things can silently harm your liver, such as diets high in fat, sugar, or processed foods, frequent use of painkillers, birth control pills, or antibiotics without medical advice, stress, lack of exercise, poor sleep habits, exposure to pollution. These all put extra strain on your liver and weaken its function over time. Practical tips to keep your liver healthy. The good news: you can protect your liver with simple steps right from your daily life. One highly effective and natural method is using herbs commonly found at home, such as gotu kola, rao more, cools the liver, helps reduce acne; artichoke, atiso, supports bile production and detox; Phthalanthus, K-choda, protects and repairs liver cells; turmeric, ingay, contains curcumin, which helps regenerate the liver; ginger, gung, boosts circulation and digestion; lotus leaf, lawsen, reduces liver fat and improves sleep. Warning: important note: use herbs wisely, don't overuse, don't replace water with herbal drinks, and rotate different herbs to avoid resistance or side effects. In addition to herbs, a balanced diet is key. Focus on fresh fruits and vegetables, limiting fast food, greasy dishes, alcohol, and sugary drinks, drinking enough water daily to flush out toxins. Also, exercise regularly, sleep before 11 p.m., maintain a positive mindset. These small habits help your liver recover and function at its best. Make sure to get regular liver enzyme checks and see a doctor if you notice anything unusual. Avoid using unverified traditional remedies. They may do more harm than good. A healthy life starts with loving your liver. Taking care of your liver isn't hard or complicated. It's about making small, conscious choices every day, choosing a healthy meal, sleeping on time, sipping a glass of go-to cola in the morning, or taking a gentle walk after dinner. When you listen to your body and treat it with care, you're planting the seeds of long-term health, happiness, and natural beauty. Start today. Caring for your liver is one of the best long-term investments you can make for your health, appearance, and vitality.